So we're going to do a new series of videos. I've seen this guy on YouTube. I don't know if this guy is from Japan or Korea. I have no idea. He does some maintenance videos. So I'm going to start to do that because take a look at this. This is what happens when you left the batteries inside. The batteries, all batteries, gets corrosion on your engines. So look at this. The battery already exploded inside of the bell. So I remember I got a lot of 472 pieces, if I'm not mistaken, like 5 months ago, and I did not check all the engines. So definitely we need to check and give a maintenance all these engines from now on, so that way we will not have these kind of problems. Now this model it's fine. It's a little noisy. It's not that much, but since we fix and repair, I'm going to remove the battery, so I don't want to have any problems in the near future, because I don't know when I'm going to check these engines again. So let's put that one on the side, and this other one, it's another den. It's a little noisier than the other one, but still works. So I'm going to remove the battery too. So it is working. Yeah, you guys, I recommend you to begin to give them maintenance to your engines, so you will not have any problems in the near future, or you're going to have a battery corrosion. Look at that. It's Toby's clown car. Is it working? It's just a little car toy. Oh man, they painted the windows with marker, but not bad. It's sometimes you cannot find this little card inside the Toby's clown car. So we need to access all the battery compartments on these engines and try to make them work. Just checking which ones are working, which ones are not working. Skipping gear. Yeah, hear that? Even it's missing the rubber tires. Other than that, it's fine. Good. Now make sure we don't, if we are going to store this away for a long time, make sure it will not have any batteries inside. Now we have this model, Stephen the Rocket. Sounds nice, it's not bad. So anyways, let's remove the battery on this model. Yes, I see why it's very important to give them maintenance, so you don't have any corrosion on your models. Yeah, in this case I'm removing the batteries. I'm not putting any, so I'm getting rid of batteries. Yeah, I have the entire sets. The entire sets are in the bag, so I'm just checking these engines to see which ones are working. If I just want to remove the batteries. See, this one is not even, it's completely dead, so we're going to give him a little bit of 5 volts later, next time. So next we have here Harvey. Needs a little bit new stickers. So let's see if this one works. Yeah, like I said before, I got it in a lot. Ooh, broken gear axle. Look, it's not moving. We have I already done a video, but I'm gonna make a video repairs as soon as I get some time, because remember I have a lot of models from customers that needs to be repaired. Not bad. Let's take the batteries. Ooh, this video is gonna take me a long time. Yes. So now I see why this guy is always giving maintenance to his engines. It's because what is this? Oh, these are different. I thought it was the same model. It's not. This is Modi Ferdinand and Ferdinand. Yes, you can see right there. Yes. So anyways, I see now why this guy gives maintenance to his engines. Does it have battery inside? Oh yes, it does have battery. Since I have a lot of engines, I gotta double check these engines from now on. I don't want any corrosion. So you guys remember, I think it's about more than 5 months when I get this this lot. I bought it on eBay, and I never checked the engines. I just show you guys the lot in a table, but I never checked the batteries or anything else. So the battery's been there for more than 5 months. So I need to remove. Does this work? It's kind of heavy. Let me tie this back. Sometimes the battery, yeah, it's almost, yes, more than 5 months since I got the lot. As you remember, I get the boxes, but I never had a chance to unbox. I think this one doesn't work. Let me try to put a new one or a fresh battery, see if it works. Okay, so as I was saying, it's been over 5 months that I get this lot, and I haven't checked the batteries or anything. There you go, working. Skipping gear. It's gear axle problem. You can see right there. So anyways, yes, definitely guys, now I learned I learned the lesson. You should not leave the batteries. If you're going to store these toys for a long time, do not leave the batteries in your model engine, unless you are playing with your engines. Anyways, you can, if you play with your engines, then you will not have this problem because you are watching your engines. So we have here another Henry, snow covered Henry. Ooh, what I dropped. So I have the cards in the other bags. This is for Henry. This looks different. I remember it should be a little dots like this, not a spots like that. Anyways, so what do you guys think? Should we keep? Yeah, you should. I think we should. Oh, look at that. See, that's what I was talking about. The batteries explode, make corrosion. Look at the interior of the lever. So this will be a good demonstration for how to repair this model in another video. So I'm gonna leave the battery inside since it's already exploded, and I will show you in the near future how to repair that since it's already exploded. So yeah, we have the entire set of this hideaway look. There you go. See, you gotta tap it a little bit. Don't tap it on top or the sides, tap it on the bottom so you don't hit the stickers or anything else. It looks like, look, it's working. Let's remove the battery. I hope it doesn't explode. It begins kind of getting a little corrosion, so yeah, we better remove the batteries if this will not be in use for a long time. I'm learning as I go too, because I buy and sell. Here's another Stephen. Yes, another. I have another one. Where did I put the other one? I gotta remove the battery on this one too. Oh man, it takes time. Yeah, these are Toys R Us batteries. It's getting corrosion inside. So I'm not gonna put any screw. I'm not gonna screw it in again since it's taking too long. Here's the other one. I'll put it on the side. Now we have Scarloy and his cars. Batteries inside. No. Yeah. Wow, this video is gonna take like 20 minutes long to check every every engine, and it's not a lot. It's working. Scarloy. Not skipping gears, so it's fine. Now we have another. What's this? I think I have another one of these 219 Hank. Let me check the batteries. Let me see if it works. Also, you need to check your engines since it's an old battery. I hope it's the old battery. The problem, no. There it goes. Kind of slow. It's picking up speed because it's been a while since this model not being in use. Anyways, yeah, we gotta check all the engines. So we have Murdoch. Look at the tender. I think I'm gonna paint this Murdoch as Black Prince. You guys remember the Black Prince I made a long time ago? That engine was nice. Since I don't want to do the lining on this, I better rather paint the engine black. And it's working. Needs a new gear. It's not that bad. It needs a new gear and maybe a little bit of lube on this engine, and we are good to go. Now we have 4 more. Let me see. We're talking engines. At least this one is working. A Talking Victor. Excellent. Still the original batteries. Look, looks like this wasn't used a lot. They use a little bit, not a lot used on this engine. So, here's another Talking Victor. Let me see. New gear and we are good to go. New gear. It's actually it's a gear axle. Is it the gear? I think it's the gear on the axle. Yeah, this one are aftermarket. Okay, and the last 2 engines. Oh, here's another Hank. Sorry for that. See, another Hank. I remember I sold some of these. The battery goes in the back. Noisy tender. Still works. Yes. So anyways, I think I gotta check my engines from now on to make sure they give them a maintenance, so they make sure they work perfectly, or at least in working condition. And the last one is working just fine. Excellent. So we did not have a lot of engines here, but like I say, I have a lot. We gotta check all the engines since this will be stored just in case. Like I say, it's been 5 months since I got these engines, and they will be stored, I think, for I don't know how long, but anyways,